Dear students, so today now let's continue with growing up boys and girls. In the last class we studied about the stereotypes that we have heard since we started growing or we started knowing about the world. We also learned about the two stories. First is growing up in Samoa in 1920s, where children, be it a girl or a boy, do same type of work and they are made independent since the age of 5. And then we learned about another story, that is growing up male in Madhya Pradesh in 1960s, how male and females grew up differently, how they were told to behave in a particular manner or how they were asked to reach home early. Today we will continue further. After reading the two examples above, we realize that there are many different ways of growing up. Often we think that there is only one way in which children grow up. This is because we are most familiar with our own experiences. If we talk to elders in our family, we will see that their childhoods were probably very different from ours. So till now we all know that पूरे world में girls and boys को अलग अलग रखा जाता है, but when we learned about the story of Samoa Island, हमें उससे पता चला कि there are different ways of growing up. एंड बचपन से हमें एक ही चीज़ सिखाई जाती है, हमें लगता है यही चीज़ है बिकॉज हम लोग बचपन से वही देखा होता है. पर जब हम हमारे ग्रैंडफादर, ग्रैंडमदर या ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स से किसी को भी पूछे कि हाउ वाज योर लाइफ, तो हमें पता चलता है कि काफ़ी अलग है. वो लोग अलग तरीके से बड़े हुए हैं और हम अलग तरीके से बड़े हुए हैं. सो ट्राई टू डिस्कस इट विथ योर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, हाउ दे ग्रू अप एंड कंपेयर इट विथ योर्स. Then we also realize that societies make clear distinctions between boys and girls. This begins from a very young age. We are, for example, given different toys to play with. Boys are usually given cars to play with and girls dolls. Both toys can be a lot of fun to play with. Why are girls then given dolls and boys cars? Toys become a way of telling children that they will have different futures when they become men and women. If we think about it, this difference is created in the smallest and most everyday things. How girls must dress, what games boys should play, how girls need to talk softly or boys need to be tough. All these are ways of telling children that they have specific roles to play when they grow up to be men and women. Later in life, this affects the subjects we can study or the careers we can choose. बचपन से ही गर्ल्स रोते नहीं हैं, बॉयज़ रोते नहीं हैं, गर्ल्स को घर का काम करना है. एंड वी हैव सीन दिस डिफरेंट थिंकिंग सिंस चाइल्डहुड. बच्चों को लड़कों को पहले से कार्स दे देते हैं खेलने के लिए एंड गर्ल्स को डॉल्स. ऐसा क्यों? दोनों टॉयज़ आर फन टू प्ले विथ, बट सिंस चाइल्डहुड दे हैव बीन टॉट दैट टॉयज़, वो लोग जिस हिसाब से टॉयज़ खेलते हैं उनका फ्यूचर वैसे ही वो लोग डिसाइड करते हैं, बी इट फ्यूचर और देयर करियर्स. गर्ल्स को बोला जाता है दे कैन नॉट बिकम इलेक्ट्रिशियन, दे कैन नॉट गो इनटू एयरफोर्स, क्योंकि उनको पहले से दिमाग में माइंडसेट होता है कि नहीं, गर्ल्स को ये सब नहीं करना चाहिए. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दीज टॉयज़ उनको पहले से डिस्टिंक्शन किया जाता है. In most societies, including our own, the roles men and women play or the work they do are not valued equally. Men and women do not have the same status. Let us look at how these difference exists in the work done by men and women. बचपन से ही हम लोग सोसाइटीज़ में देखते हुए आ रहे हैं कि मेन का काम अलग होता है, वुमेन का काम अलग होता है, और वो जो दोनों काम करते हैं उनकी वैल्यू भी इक्वल नहीं होती है. मैन भले कोई भी काम करे उनकी वैल्यू ज़्यादा होती है कंपेयर टू वुमेन. एंड स्टेटस में भी दोनों का फ़र्क होता है. मैन इज़ गिवन मोर रिस्पेक्ट कंपेयर टू वुमेन. सो यहाँ पे उन्होंने और एक एग्जाम्पल दिया हुआ है टू जस्टिफाई दिस डिफरेंस. My mother does not work. Ma, we are going on a school excursion. Rosie ma'am needs volunteers. Can't you take a holiday from office and volunteer? Harmeet's mother always comes for excursions because she doesn't work. Shonali, how can you say that? You know that Jaspreet auntie is up at 5 a.m. every day doing all the housework. Yes, but that's not real work. It's just housework. Oh, that's what you think, do you? Let's go over to their house and ask Jaspreet what she thinks. तो यहाँ पे there's a conversation between mother and daughter where mother says that why doesn't she join for the school exertion. Rosie ma'am, she needs volunteers, and then she's asking that why don't you take a leave from office, and then she continues that Harmeet's mother comes every time because she doesn't work. Then the mother says that you how can you say that his mother doesn't work, because she wakes up at 5 in the morning and then she does all the housework. So the girl says that but that's not the real work, it's just housework, it's a part of the duty. Then they say that oh, if you think so, then let us go to their house and ask what are their views about it. So once they go at the Singh's house, Harsharan, Shonali thinks that your wife is not working properly. But isn't that correct, auntie? Harpreet says that it's correct. My mother is a housewife. She does not work. Then she says, okay. Then Jaspreet, why don't you just relax and then let them manage everything for a change? Shonali's mother said that okay, now if you think that it's just a small work, then why doesn't her mother relax and then both the children will have to manage everything. So Jaspreet thinks that yes, that's a great idea, I will go on strike tomorrow. Then they continue, both the kids are very happy. Oh, what fun, we'll take care of the everything tomorrow along with daddy. So the next morning at 7:30 a.m. Oh God, look at the time. Where's my breakfast? Why aren't the children ready? So the father is asking that where is my breakfast? Why our children aren't ready? So Jaspreet says that how would I know? Don't you remember that I'm on strike today? Besides, Mangla has also taken leave today. So no maid, no one, all the kids will have to get ready on their own. And then father hears the honk honk, that is the bus. Oh, that's the school bus. I'll have to drop them in the car because they had already missed they were not ready and they will be missing their bus. So Harmeet's father says, hurry, ask Harmeet to switch on the pump. While he was getting ready, so he said that the water was not coming in the tap. He asked his son to switch on the pump. Then he says, but what about the kids' lunch boxes? The wife asked because they were just living like that without taking lunch boxes. So father says, oh no, forget about that, I'm already running late. Then father says, I'll give you some money, just buy something from the canteen today. So the daughter says, Ma already gave us money for that. And the evening, now they are talking about the evening scenario, that is at 6 p.m. Doorbell rings, ding ding. So his father comes in, I am exhausted. How about some tea? Oh, I forgot your strike. I'll make some for myself. He says, okay. And then he decides to make tea for himself, and the house looks like it was hit by a hurricane because it was so messed up, it was not cleaned by anyone. So wife says, did you expect it to remain in exactly the same condition in which you left it this morning? So that is what it happens, like if the mother doesn't clean and if we come in the evening at we see the same messed up house, we cannot stay happy, we get frustrated. And from this we can come to know about the work that is done by a woman, housework. Harmeet, where on the earth are tea leaves? So the husband is not able to find the tea leaves. So she says, I wonder if they still believe I don't work. Now the woman says that if you still believe that I don't work, then you are wrong. Now I have to remind them that Chacha ji and Chachi ji are coming for dinner. So now they have to cook dinner for them also. So that is how a housework is done from morning to waking up the children in the morning to till everyone sleeps. A woman is continuously on work. And still the work is not valued. We just think that it's a housework, it's a very normal thing, but no, it is not a normal thing. This is about valuing housework. Harmeet's family did not think that work Jaspreet did within the house was real work. This feeling is not unique to their families. Across the world, the main responsibility for housework and caregiving tasks like looking after the family, especially children, the elderly and sick members, lies with women. Yet, as we have seen, the work that women do within the home is not recognized as work. It is also assumed that this is something that comes naturally to women. It therefore does not have to be paid for, and society devaluates this work. हरमीत की बात से पता चला कि उसकी फैमिली वालों को लगता है हरमीत कुछ काम जसप्रीत कुछ काम नहीं करती है. बट इफ़ वी लुक, ये सिर्फ उसके घर की मेंटेलिटी नहीं थी. दिस इज़ द मेंटेलिटी ऑफ द वर्ल्ड एंड इट इज़ जनरली बिलीव दैट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फॉर हाउस वर्क, केयर गिविंग, लुकिंग आफ्टर द फैमिली, ये सब काम विमेन का है. एंड स्टिल वी फील दैट विमेन डू नॉट वर्क एनीथिंग. उनका घर का काम रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं किया जाता है एंड देन we devalue their work, but this should not happen. Now, lives of domestic workers. We will continue with this in the next class.